Best deals.
1. Pan. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Container. This innovative liquid silicone lid extends to accommodate the quantity of your meal. This food container offers more capacity when you need it most, pushing the limits of conventional kitchen containers. Features a strong locking mechanism with a precision fit seal to keep contents secure. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Kadai. Ideal for samosas, vegetables, for making sweets and much more deep frying foods. This cookware utensil is of classy finish and gives an elegant look to kitchen decor. Easy to clean and wash, they have very exotic color. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Coconut scraper. Is designed with user comfort in mind. The scraper comes with a rotatable handle with a comfortable grip, allowing for easy and efficient scraping of coconuts without straining your hands or wrists. The scraper is equipped with sharp and sturdy blades specifically designed for scraping coconuts. These blades effectively remove the coconut meat from the shell. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mortar and pestle set. Is crafted from food-grade stainless steel to give you the perfect weight to crush pills or kitchen herbs and spices at ease while avoiding rusting and deterioration. The mortar and pestle both feature similar curvatures so that there is good contact between the two pieces, making it the optimal surface for crushing. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Blenders. The small portable smoothie juicer is as easy to carry around as a water bottle that can hold juices, is beautiful, and is easy to carry. After juicing, you can replace the bottom with a lid and take it away directly. This juice maker blenders is suitable for home, work, school, or travel. This wireless portable mixer shaker extracts healthy nutrition from fruits and vegetables so you can enjoy fresh nutrition juice. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Casserole. Advanced thermal insulation locks in heat for hours, keeps food hot, fresh, and delicious without needing electricity or reheating. This hot pot adapts to every occasion with ease. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Clothes. Made from premium casement cotton fabric, this double-layer roti cloth is durable. The double-layer construction traps heat well, keeping rotis fresh after being wrapped. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Refrigerator storage box. Superior sealing mechanics and preservation technologies extend the shelf life of vegetables and fruits in the refrigerator by up to 2 weeks, revolutionizing food storage practices. The integrated drain basket effortlessly strains excess water from produce, preserving its crispness and preventing spoilage. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Duster. Featuring innovative split fiber technology, unlike regular dusters, each of the 1 microfiber duster can absorb dust like a magnet, can be bent to any degree, and the duster static absorbs dust, pollen and hairs with ease. The fluffy microfiber and the soft rubber on the top guarantees no scratches to the surface of sofa, furniture or wall during cleaning. The dust flexibly, efficient and labor-saving, make housework more easier. New upgrade extendable duster has the ability to extend up to a whopping 100 inches. Say goodbye to chairs and dangerous ladders. The feather dusters can help you safe clean everywhere you want. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Whisk. Has a flat whisk. Twist is ideal for mixing sauces in low pans or for making gravy in roasting trays. Its silicone-coated steel wires are suitable for non-stick cookware and are ideal for scraping and combining ingredients together, preventing them from burning on the bottom of a pan. With a simple turn of the handle, twist also becomes a highly effective balloon whisk, allowing egg whites to be whipped into ideal peaks. Twist can be easily dismantled for cleaning and, after use, can be closed flat for convenient storage in a drawer. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tadka pan. Non-stick surface ensures quick and easy cooking, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. With its compact 10 cm size, This fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Brush has an ergonomic handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly scrub and remove dirt and stains from clothes without straining your hand. Brush is simple to disassemble and refill. Open the rubber pad to fill the liquid storage tank with detergent, press the top to dispense the detergent, allowing you to control the amount used and save on detergent for more efficient cleaning. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Kadhai. Made without PTFE, PFAS are heavy metals, it supports healthier cooking. While not non-stick, it requires a little oil and ensures food won't burn or stick. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Coffee maker. Crafted with precision and quality in mind, this coffee maker combines traditional design with modern functionality, allowing you to savor a cup of aromatic and refreshing coffee anytime you desire. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity and reliability. Product link is given in the 15th link. 14. Cookware. Enhance your cooking experience with our Tulsa equipped with a tough and durable Triple E construction. Designed for longevity and optimal performance, this Triple E configuration offers even heat distribution and dependable results. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Coffee grinder. Comes with a high-quality conical ceramic burr which helps in giving you a consistent grind size and maintains the original flavor of your coffee beans. This burr coffee grinder is very easy to use and does not need much effort. Moreover, you can grind coffee beans in just 5 to 10 minutes. This coffee grinder is also very easy to clean. This small coffee grinder weighs less than 400 grams, and you can easily carry it in your backpack. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Bowl. This lightweight handy-shaped set is designed with flat bottom base that helps distribute heat evenly and quickly throughout the vessel and keeps the food in it warm for a longer duration. Available in 4 different high-utility sizes. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Lint remover. A quick charge ensures you're always ready for action. Ideal for busy moms, the device powers up conveniently with any standard USB port, seamlessly integrating into your busy life. Perfect for moms on the move, it offers the flexibility to refresh clothes. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Storage cart. Comes with multiple drawers perfectly sized for A4 paper, cosmetics, art sheets, and daily sundries, helping you stay organized at home or the office. 4 smooth gliding wheels rotate freely and can be locked in place for stable positioning, making the organizer easy to move and secure. The sleek, semi-transparent design allows you to easily identify contents while offering a stylish, modern look that blocks out direct sunlight. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Masala box. Perfect for neat and efficient spice storage. Capacity, can store up to 12. Different spices. Airtight, ensures spices remain fresh by preventing moisture and air exposure. Mirror finish, sleek and stylish with a polished stainless steel exterior. Durable design that resists rust, maintaining its quality over time. BPA-free, safe for food storage with non-toxic materials. See-through lids, each container has an individual transparent lid for easy identification of spices without opening. It is easy to clean and dishwasher safe too. Product link is given in the 19th link.